I'd like to just to highlight some of the digestion that's happening in the small intestine. So there's this table here which I find that is a good summary. So we have this bile produced by the liver. There's no enzyme in the bile. Intestinal juice, which is produced by the small intestine, containing this enzyme maltase, protease, and lipase, and pancreatic juice producing pancreas that also contain amylase, protease, and lipase. All right. So all these enzymes, right, will help to complete the digestion of the different nutrients. So you can see they're all connected with one another. Pancreas, liver, gallbladder, okay, the store bowels, and then the bile duct, the pancreatic duct, and then the small intestine over here. Right. So bowel, right? Take note, bowel doesn't digest anything. All right. It's only help in physical digestion, no emulsification, which I already show you in the notes just now. Okay. Then digestion of fats. Remember the lipase from the intestinal juice and the pancreatic juice. You'll be digesting the fatty acid and glycerol. Then we have starch. Any starch that was not digested by the amylase from the mouth in the saliva will be digested by the pancreatic juice. Okay, in the maltose. And then we have maltose digested into maltase. Can you see? Into glucose. There's a final digested products. Protein digested by the protease to give me amino acid. Okay, so all these are the digested products. And then what happened? Okay, I want to show you this diagram. So in the small intestine, okay, this is the small intestine, okay, the lumen. Okay, it's a tube, the lumen. All the digested products already haven't digested, some of them haven't digested. Okay, so it's surrounded by blood vessel. You cannot see over here, but there's really the small intestine intertwined with the blood vessels. Okay, the capillaries. Okay, is surrounded with capillaries. So the digested product, can you see the small triangle, the small circle here, will be passed into the blood vessel here. Because the wall of the blood vessel is also partially permeable membrane. So you see, only small food molecule pass through the walls of the small intestine and blood vessel. And then from the bloodstream in the blood vessel, will be transported to the liver. And then from the liver, go to the rest of the body. And finally, for the rest of the body, right, will go to the respective cells. Right. And small food molecules will be absorbed by the body cell for respiration, cell repair, and other processes. So you see, it will all enter into the body cells via the partially permeable membrane. Right. So just a summary here. I like this diagram. Okay. So we have the physical digestion and chemical digestion, starting from the mouth. There's already salivary amylase that digest starch. And then the stomach also got physical digestion that's, muscle contract and relax to digest the food. There's one thing I think they miss out is the esophagus that help to Paracelsus, right? Protease, they digest the proteins in the stomach. And then finally, in small intestine, all the other enzymes that help to digest starch, proteins, and fats. And the digestion is completed. And then move on to absorption. Okay, let's move on to the large intestine. As I mentioned, like the fiber cannot be digested, right? We go on to the large intestine over here. Okay, so in the large intestine, we can call it a colon. They help to absorb the water and mineral salts from the undigested food. This also explains why, how come our feces is a bit dry, it's not that wet. It's because of the absorption of the water and the mineral salts, okay, from the undigested food. Cannot be too watery. And the bacteria in the colon make vitamins in the body as well. And the rectum, right, store the feces temporarily over here, and finally when it's ready, it will be passed out via the anus, through the anus. Right. Okay, let's move back to the notes over here. So we are coming to the last part about large intestine. So undigested food, large intestine have to absorb water and minerals from the undigested food. Okay. So this is approximate time taken for the digestion to be completed. So you can see about 3 to 5 hours, all right? Then you'll feel hungry again. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. I'll share with you some more videos. Please look through all the video, and there are a few questions for you to do to make sure that you understand this particular worksheet 11B. Thank you.